here we are on the log flume. Are you ready? No, it lets them go first, then we go. Well, it looks like you don't get too wet on this one. You want to get wet?
I am gonna get wet.
Okay. So I'm really excited for it. Here we go, man! This is my first ever log flume, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm really, is it cold? Good, it's been a pretty cold day today. Good, grannies. Good night. This is an aero log flume. This is an older log flume. So, yeah, that's excited. Get a good view of Invader here, which we just did. All right, here we go. We're at the top. Ah! All right, here we go. Hey! Oh gosh!
I'm already so
It is freezing cold. Good grannies. This is really like nice and scenic.
I like this kind of ride.
Yeah. Get a good view of that right there. All right, we got our first drop right here. Yeah, our first little drop right here. Look at you eating Doritos on the job. Here we go. I am absolutely terrified. Ah!
I am so wet.
You are not wet. You are barely wet at all. That was fun. No, that was fun though.
How many drops are there? Just one?
Oh, that is an awesome. No, we've got another one coming up. There we go. Nice view of Invader right there. Oh gosh, we got the big boy coming up pretty soon, man. I'm pretty scared. Oh gosh, the axe? What? That is terrifying. Yo, what's good? I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah! Ah! Oh! It was not that bad. It wasn't that bad. Wow, look at this view of Alpen, guys. Yeah, that was a fun little ride. Yeah, that was a really fun ride. Thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy. I will see you in the next video.